He will be happy to see my grandfather. Linda, where is your favorite club?
You know, it's the club near the train station. They have wonderful wine, tea and cakes.
What kind of club is that, Linda?
It's a cafe.
Okay. Do you have a question for me?
Sure. When will we speak perfect English?
You will speak perfect English soon. Okay, now let's look at questions that begin with there is and there are. Please take a look at your screen. Is there a bus to Orlando? Yes, there is one at 1 o'clock. Next example. Are there any tickets? No, there aren't any tickets. Another example. Is there a seat on the train? Yes, there is one seat left. Another example. Are there many passengers on this plane? No, the plane isn't full. Okay, questions may be asked beginning with is there or are there, if it's plural. Now these questions are asked to get more information. Negative questions may also be asked using these forms. Isn't there or aren't there? Okay, let's look at some more examples. Follow on your screen. Isn't there a train station near here? No, there isn't. Next, aren't there any duty-free shops at the airport? Yes, they are in Terminal B. All right, now let's practice using is there, are there, isn't there, aren't there. Linda, are there any train tickets in your purse?
No, of course not. I don't like to travel by train. Trains in Spain are old. They're noisy and uncomfortable. I like airplanes.
Okay, thank you, Linda. Sylvia, was there a football match last night?
Yes, there was, but I didn't watch it. I took my grandfather to the airport. I made a copy of it on my VCD player.
That's a good idea. Alberto, are there many bus stations in Italy?
Of course, there are many. Every city, village and town has a bus station. Buses are very popular in Italy. They are cheap. Many of the people in the village are poor.
Good answers, everyone. Now it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
Are there pretty flight attendants on this flight? Is there a place to buy a suitcase at the airport? Are there many seats on this bus? Is there a ticket for the train to Amsterdam? Aren't there any seats in the back of the train? Isn't there a toilet on this train?
Read and repeat.
Let's quickly review asking questions. Notice that we use where, when, why, who, and what to ask questions. We use these words to get information. We also use is there, isn't there, and are there, aren't there to ask questions for information. Let's practice again using question words. Linda, are there any singers at the club or cafe?
Maybe. I'm sure there's a singer this weekend. His bus will arrive on Saturday morning.
Great. Alberto, where will you stay in Rome?
I don't know. Maybe at a hostel. The hotels are very expensive there. There aren't many cheap hotels.
Oh, when will you arrive in Rome?
It will be early next month.
Thank you, Alberto. Sylvia, who will your grandfather travel with?
We will travel alone. My grandmother doesn't want to go because she's frightened.
Oh, I'm sorry. Isn't there a train to Prague?
Yes, there is, but my grandfather likes to fly. It's quicker.
All right, good job, everyone. Now we are going to learn how to use can, could, may, and would to begin questions. Let's start with can. Follow along on your screen. Can I eat at the airport? Yes, you can. Can we leave the bus station now? Yes, we can leave now. Can she carry that suitcase? No, you carry it. Can Phil go to the duty-free shop? No, he must wait. So we use can to start a question. We learned how to use can for ability. Is it possible to do something? We're going to review how to use can for permission or agreement. And there is also a negative form of the question. Okay, can't. Take a look at some examples. Can't I eat at the airport? No, you can't. We will eat here. Can't we leave for the bus station now? Yes, we can leave now. Can't she carry that suitcase? No, I want you to carry it. Can't Phil buy a ticket at the train station? No, he can't. I want him to buy one on the internet. All right, let's practice using can and can't. Let's use questions with can. Alberto, can your sister go with you to Rome?
No, she can't. She is too young. My mother won't let her. I want to go alone. Then I can do everything what I want.
Okay, good answer. Linda, can I go to the cafe with you tonight?
Yes, you can go. My friend's English is good. She likes to speak with you.
All right, wonderful. Now I have something to do tonight. Sylvia, can't you go to Prague with your grandfather?
That's a great idea. I want to go, but I can't. My mother said no. I must study. I must clean my room. I may visit my friends.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Now we can look and listen.